Here, the extreme cold transforms the very air, creating intricate frost patterns on the steel exterior of the facility. The pliability of the flesh indicates its freshness and quality before processing. The sensors constantly monitor the temperature, ensuring it remains within the narrow operational window of 32 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit.
This massive cold storage facility is the heart of the operation, ensuring millions of pounds of salmon remain perfectly preserved. Utilizing mechanical precision, the salmon are quickly moved from the bins onto the main conveyor system, beginning their journey through the factory. The salmon enter the automated washing station, beginning the crucial mechanical transformation phase.
The salmon begin their journey through the processing plant, starting with a rigorous wash cycle.
The laser alignment guides lock into precise grid formation, ensuring maximum yield from the cut. The specialized cutting mechanism ensures a clean separation, maximizing yield. The head is then swiftly channeled for rendering.
Once the head is removed, the automated machinery rapidly extracts the internal organs, preparing the fish for the next stage.
Next, the fillets are blasted with high-pressure water jets, removing any remaining debris in the cavity. Utilizing advanced water jet technology ensures a sterile and efficient cleaning process for the delicate fish interior.
Shot in stunning macro detail, the water runs freely along the contours of the fish, emphasizing the texture of the salmon.
Here at the inspection station, multiple salmon are examined simultaneously in a highly organized industrial workflow. Using advanced laser technology, the contours of each salmon are meticulously mapped.
The macro lens reveals the transformation in detail as the blade separates the connective tissues, exposing the structure of the muscle fibers.
Using advanced guidance systems, the mechanical arm ensures a perfectly clean separation from the central spine structure. Utilizing advanced robotics, the system smoothly rotates the salmon, allowing full access to the second side for high-speed processing. Utilizing specialized techniques, the second fillet is cleanly detached from the spine, highlighting the delicate texture of the meat. The precision of the cuts ensures maximum yield, leaving behind only the central spine. Utilizing synchronized movement, the robotic arms gently place the twin salmon fillets onto the conveyor line, ready for the next stage of processing.
A closer look at the raw material transformation byproduct reveals the intricate structure of the salmon spine and remaining flesh fragments.
This industrial line processes salmon around the clock. The fillets travel rapidly towards the next stage.
The rich orange-pink coloration and distinct white marbling indicate high levels of healthy omega-3 fatty acids.
Using tactile precision, the worker feels along the center line, detecting tiny pin bones hidden beneath the surface of the fillet. Utilizing laser guidance, the system ensures every fillet is trimmed with millimeter precision before moving to packaging. Before refinement, the raw material undergoes rigorous inspection. Note the uneven contour and the subcutaneous fat layer. This automated system ensures maximum yield and perfect consistency with every cut.
The ultra-sharp blade glides effortlessly through the salmon belly, separating the layers of fat and flesh with surgical precision.
This level of detail highlights the uniformity of the thickness and the absolute precision of the machine trimming process.
The blade adjusts its position based on sophisticated size calculations, ensuring mechanical precision with every cut.
The dramatic lighting reveals the deep orange saturation.
The salmon fillets now enter the final chilled rinse station, where a high-pressure water curtain ensures maximum freshness before packaging.
This cascading chilled water rinse is the final cleaning process, ensuring the vibrant flesh is perfectly clean before.
Inside this facility, precision is key. The salmon fillets are meticulously guided toward the final stage, packaging.
Using advanced robotics, the factory guarantees every fillet meets the exact weight requirement of 180 grams. The robotic arms engage with pinpoint accuracy, selecting only the fillets that meet the exact weight specifications before transferring them to the processing line.
Inside the factory, mechanical transformation begins as the robotic arm registers the weight.
Equipped with specialized soft grippers, the robotic arm delicately handles each salmon fillet, ensuring perfect quality control.
Based on precise weight classification, the robotic arm swiftly redirects the salmon portions to their designated lanes.
The vacuum sealer engages, rapidly extracting the atmosphere from the chamber. This process ensures an extended shelf life for the fresh salmon fillets. Air is rapidly extracted, compressing the film tightly against the salmon surface, ensuring optimal preservation in a controlled environment. This prime salmon fillet is immediately vacuum sealed to maintain peak freshness. The soft lighting highlights the vibrant orange flesh and rich marbling.
Utilizing advanced vacuum sealing technology, the salmon fillets are rapidly packaged, preserving freshness and quality as they move down the line. Utilizing advanced machinery, the factory efficiently applies labels to the vacuum-sealed salmon, ensuring high detail and rapid distribution.
Utilizing focused heat, the print head instantly activates the specialized paper, rendering complex data line by line. Each eco-friendly solar panel receives a unique identifier, ensuring complete traceability from factory floor to installation.
Quality control starts here, ensuring every detail, from net weight to the USDA inspection stamp, is
utilizing precision suction technology. The automated applicator arm ensures that each label is perfectly placed before the product moves down the line.
The fillets are carefully nested into specialized packaging, ensuring they remain secure during transit to the consumer.
This highly efficient workflow moves the product systematically along the conveyor, ensuring each box is sealed precisely as it reaches the station. Utilizing advanced optical sensors, the palletizing robot ensures perfect alignment, drastically increasing throughput and efficiency in the warehouse.
This mechanical spinning motion ensures every layer of the clear plastic film is evenly applied for maximum protection.
In modern logistics centers, automated forklifts like this one are the backbone of efficient material handling, moving tons of product daily.
Vacuum sealed at the peak of freshness, this salmon fillet locks in the vibrant color and rich flavor.
Hand-selected for its rich color and distinct marbling, every Beetle salmon fillet is a testament to sustainable luxury.